So today is a very exciting day. Extremely exciting. I bought a lawnmower. A new lawnmower. Not a hand-me-down lawnmower. Not a lawnmower that's gently used. No. A new lawnmower. And it's electric. It's electric. It's electric. So, if you are not yet 47 and above, this may not seem exciting to you, but let me tell you, one day, you too will be this excited over a lawnmower. So when it comes down that driveway, I will bring you along for this journey. I will take selfies of said lawnmower. In fact, I hear it coming down the driveway now. Let's take a look. Oh, look at her in her cocoon state. It's a still. Oh, yeah. Isn't she lovely? Isn't she beautiful? There she is, folks. My electric mower. It does all sorts of things like mow, but it has all sorts of fun features. Check this out. Okay. Ooh. Oh. Battery in use, battery in storage. And I have 2 batteries. Cool beans. Then, if I remember correctly, there is a self-propel. Just watch this. Ooh. I mean, that's a self-propel, if I ever propelled myself. And then you can do the little, the rabbit for fast, turtle for slow. So we're gonna back that train up. Look at this. Oh, yes. Taking a stroll with my new lawnmower. Okay, and then to turn it on, got this little handle here and this button here. I'm not sure how I can do it holding you, but let's make this work. Watch, ready? Oh, wait. Okay, maybe I'm gonna try this at home, kids. Oh. Well, hold on a sec. Okay, turtle. Press and then do it. Instructions. Press. Look at that. My whole world has changed. It's changed. She's a gem. She's a beaut. I will be doing a full review on this wonderful mower from Still. It's a RMA 510V. No idea what any of that means, but look at her. Just look at her. I mean, really. Look at her. She's a beaut.